Hey.
Hey!
What's up, you guys? Today I'm super excited. I'm super nervous because I'm gonna be trying Beautopsy Hindash. I really thought that this was gonna be one of those palettes that sell out like crazy, that I wasn't gonna get my hands on it, because this palette is freaking genius. An ombre eyeshadow palette. I want to give you guys some info on this. I'm gonna read up on the product, how it works. If you want, I'll leave Hindash's YouTube video down below. He explains everything, he swatches everything. I don't want to swatch anything because I'm not a very good swatcher, but we're just gonna be trying it on. Okay, so Beautopsy is a 6-pan, 12-shade pressed pigment gradient palette with a 24 color payoff. It comes with 6 pans, 12-shade pressed pigment. Since it's an ombre, these 6 shades are literally 24. So depending on where you dip the brush, that's the color that you're gonna get, which is freaking amazing. It's something that you can customize, and oh my god, I'm so nervous to use it. All right, so yeah, that's all that it says. Let me see. Beautopsy is a multi-use pressed pigment palette that can be used on the eyes and face. Create the ultimate look by swirling your brush along the gradient pans to customize your perfect shade. Sweep along eyes, cheeks, brows, highlights, and contours of the face. You are the artist of your masterpiece. So yes, I also forgot to mention that these are not only for the eyes, these are also for the face. And I didn't know they were for the brows also. Oh my god. All right, let's just get started. Let's get into this. Just to save some time, I already prepped my eyes. I use my NARS eyeshadow primer. Oh my god, I didn't even think this through. I don't even know what look I'm gonna do. I might just do something like very simple, soft glam. Okay. Let me take off the little sticky thing from the mirror. Whoa, this mirror is, wow. This is an expensive mirror. Oh, and it retails for $70. 70 US dollars. Okay, so I'm gonna go into tan lines and I'm gonna go all the way. I believe this is a transition shade. All right, so this one is more my skin tone. Oh my god, it looks just like my skin tone. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to go in with the darker brown, but I'm gonna just do the same thing on the other side since I already put tan lines on this eye. So I'm gonna go in with Feel. It looks like I'm reading a book. So cute. Okay, so these are the type of shadows where, ooh, you build up the product. It doesn't come in with full force pigment. Oh my god, but the build, no. Depending on how, my heart is racing. Depending on how good this look turns out after I'm done, I'm ordering another palette today for my kit. Because wow, that was too easy. This is just a clean blending brush and I'm just, oh my god. This is, I blended it out with the Morphe M514, and the first brush that I use is the Sonia Kashuk number 109. You know, one thing I learned from watching Hindash's video is you have to be so strategic when it comes to your eyeshadow work. You can't just, you know, you can just go messily in and just give it a very blown out, soft, maybe monochromatic look, but I love to give the eyes a contoured look. And I feel like I wasn't aware of that until I really started watching his videos. Until I started watching Hindash videos and Robert Welsh, because they really break down the way that they use the brush. And you can see by the way, if you just really pay attention to their handwork. I'm gonna try and go, I'm gonna go in the middle just to see like what kind of color that gives me. It looks more of a neutral brown. I'm gonna go over the top Oh my god, this is so scary. I'm buying one for my kit. That's it. I don't even have to finish the whole tutorial because that blend. Wow, okay. Is this called Intra? Intra. Ooh, this is dark. This is a Morphe. No, a Sephora 18 brush actually. It's a very, very tiny, detailed brush. You know what's crazy? I'm not getting any fallout. Not even in the pan. Like if y'all watch my videos, y'all know I'm infamous for doing this. Like I'm picking a product and I'm applying it and I'm not getting any fallout. Oh, genius, genius, genius. I want to see what happens when I add a little bit of Kills or Love Kills somewhere around there, just to see if I can warm up the brown or if it's like a true red. Oh, nice. Let me stop being a and go a little darker because I'm over here playing it safe. This is a Sigma E42 brush. Let me see. I'm gonna go a little deeper into Intra and Fathom. Fathom. I want to mix Love Kills with Boy Wonder. This is a Morphe M433. Hey, I'm gonna go in more towards Love. I'm gonna put this on my lid. I'm gonna dip in all the way to Boy and then a little bit in the middle. Just want to get nice pinky. It's crazy. I'm packing these colors on and I'm not getting no type of fallout. This is nuts. I want to use tan lines, especially, well, lines, because y'all know I love me a beautiful matte white. And y'all know the only white that's Pam to me is that Alyssa Edwards palette by Anastasia. Wow, wow, wow. You see? Now this is what you call a white eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna go over it with Boy Wonder, so I could just have like that hidden highlight right in the center. I want to see how it would look if I use my finger. Ooh, yes. Oh my god, look at that. Look at the difference. Wow. Hello. Look at that. Oh my god, definitely use your fingers, you guys. This is so pretty. Calm down, calm down. Gonna use like another M433 brush, but I'm going to wet again. So wet paint looks like this. It's like that perfect banana beige color. And I'm gonna put this on my brow bone. Back in with the Huda. Is just like the end that I'm gonna use is just like the Sephora 18 brush. I keep going like this thinking there's gonna be fallout, and there's no fallout. Okay, I did it mad hard and it was just a cloud, not even fallout, a cloud of smoke. Oh my god, I just found a new white. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I put on some lashes and a little bit of liner in my waterline. The liner that I used is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio in Polished White. And lashes I used are my, I think I got these from AliExpress. They're in the style E12. They just come in a little pink case. Mascara I used is my new favorite mascara, is the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lash. This mascara is amazing. I just got this liner from Mented in the color Dope. This one's more like a warm brown. Next on the lips, I'm gonna try this Tom Ford Balm Frost. Yeah, it's just a really pretty glittery lip balm. It's gorgeous. Look at this. I accidentally chipped it right there with my nail. It doesn't look like that when you buy it. Hey, focus. So since, you know, I am doing a matte look and my skin isn't really all that glowy, I don't mind putting a little bit of glitter on the lips. Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream in Fenty Glow. I do kind of want to deepen up my contour and blush, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more with the Hindash palette. I'm gonna go in with Feel and a little bit of Tan Line because I don't know how it's gonna work on my skin. Okay, so I feel like I can use Feel on its own. I just wanted to make sure. And now I'm just using Intra on its own. I'm obviously gonna mix these two. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my god, these two, gorgeous. And also you can highlight with this. So I'm gonna use paint. Ooh. This. Oh my god, it actually works. I'm going all the way to paint where it's more yellow. No way, no it's not. Dude, it literally brightened under my eye. Wow. Let me just touch up then with this. My goodness. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You guys, we are done. We are done with this amazing look. And I am obsessed. I am obsessed. Wow, I never looked so flawless in my life. My eyeshadow game, like these colors are beautiful. Just the way that everything just flows together. The contour, the blush, like look at this, look at this. If you guys, wow, I really suggest this palette to every person. And honestly, I feel like it's an amazing price for what it does. It's not just one thing. It's not just one product. It's a multi-purpose product. You can use it for your brows, to highlight, to contour, for blush, for bronzer, for eyeshadow. Like, are you serious? Congratulations to Hindash, because this creation is genius. Genius, genius, genius. I'm gonna buy a second palette for my kit because everyone deserves to wear beautiful colors like this. Like, I can't wait to do more looks with this palette for you guys. This palette is 100% approved. Get your hands on it before, you know, it goes viral and you lose out on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a positive, beautiful comment down below. Subscribe if you're not already. Give me a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys soon.